Pag-durar mo lang tayo.
Ano ba di kasi mo nga babasit?
250 lang mo.
Di babasit niya.
Just lang kami dito ipa-friklatan kanya. Mamrama na mag-fritam.
You're getting happy a bit?
Here,
Strawberry one from the strawberry farm, why not?
they have also, of course, full strawberry.
Yeah. You don't need to go
They
far.
have also something like this.
Yeah, whistles.
Kasi,
Hello.
look at this one.
What is that?
This one is for slapping.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah. Hello, Pascal here. I'm with my wife, Joyce. We are now inside a very big field. I will show you. Let me turn everything.
Is a strawberry.
So
Nothing is,
we're on the strawberry part in the field of La Trinidad. So here we have strawberry everywhere. There's people working.
Hindi ko kuhaan nyo. Agi ikat lang tibulong?
Ay, madam.
Ay. So kailangan ikat ang tibulong na. Lagi niya old. Handa nga dumakalunay niya kastadan.
So you can see there's some strawberry here and there.
Yeah, there's many
That
there.
are starting to turn red. We will get them soon. Then I will go a bit with upper vision. So everywhere, it's even far there, there's many. And then here, everywhere here, there's many things. Not only strawberry, we're on the line of strawberry, but you have cabbage, you have also lettuce right here closer. So there's many veggies.
But they call this one strawberry farm.
Yeah, because the name is more attractive. This is the first project that it's selling here for sure, but it's more than strawberry farm. This is maybe the heart of it, but there is more. So it's a mix of everything. Many people are working here all the time. I don't know what will happen here because tomorrow there's a typhoon that will hit, and my guess is maybe.
They will make something like building there.
Yeah, but I mean, what is growing here maybe will be affected by the typhoon of tomorrow. So my guess is, yeah, the strawberry that are ready, they better get them today because yeah, it's been sprayed. It's like blue color. So that's yeah, protective from the insect. Or sometimes it's not to protect from the insect. It's from the mushroom because for sure it gets humid.
Pepper.
Peppers.
Part of it.
Oh yeah, okay. That's big.
So they cover it that way to protect them. So before, strawberry is not a thing here, but they found out that they could with
Grow well.
coverings. Before they
Okay.
don't cover and they don't harvest that much. Now they discovered that with covering like those, it will help.
Yeah.
Help them to be fine.
Maybe sometime it's the sun that burned them.
Yeah, it's here also. We have extremities. We have fog.
Yeah.
Affect them, and we have also sometimes hot like this. So this is just a newfound technology for them, like maybe 10 years ago.
Okay.
Covering plants.
And in rare case scenario, they even been affected by the cold here, I guess. Some years ago, I heard that it was not like frozen really in Baguio or Sablan where we live, but here in the morning it's really frozen. It affects their culture, but it's rare, but it could happen also. That's the thing that could happen because we're into elevated area.
It's better to talk with people around you.
The water source here, so yeah, a bit gray water to water everything.
But my gosh, look, it's very healthy.
Yeah, you know what? If you give them only like pure distilled water, those plants will not grow well. You know, they need vitamins. So have some leaks.
The fog is coming. Can you see that?
yeah, the clouds
So
are
fog
entering
here,
between the
yeah.
mountain.
Later it will all go here. The problem is, can we go out from here and just go there?
I'm not sure.
Yes, I'm sure.
I guess you will be forced to drink more wine. Look here. Look this line.
No, here. I don't want here. The one that they are passing, you're also passing.
We're now on the lane for La Trinidad Strawberry Farm stores. So let's see what they have here. Let's look.
This is the broom.
Where they're made.
They are made from Baguio, La Union.
And if you want to know more about Bagulin,
Yeah, we have already.
check on my channel. A week ago we've been at Bagulin. We have a video about it. So see that one. It's a good video. So they're all handmade. At Bagulin they have that plant to grow those to make the broom. Pasalubong here. What they have on Pasalubong? Cheesecake,
No, those are regular. They have
brittle,
wines,
peanut
wines.
brittle,
Strawberry wines. There are many there.
the regular Pasalubong, cards, biscuits, strawberry jam for sure.
They have also some
And then,
souvenirs like this.
yeah, that's good to get some. When I visit first with on my first trip for sure, I got many that I bring for the family.
They have also a fake one here.
Strawberry one from the strawberry farm. Why not?
They have also, of course, full strawberry.
Yeah. They don't need to go
They
far.
have also something like this.
Yeah, whistles. There's some that play good music with those whistles.
Strawberry
Handmade. Handmade.
But Jan is not. We have a boy. May mga ganyan siya.
Yan, may buhay pang lalaki. Kasi,
Hello.
Look at this one.
What is that?
It's a weasel. You said a weasel.
Yeah, imagine you're the wood carver that do it and they'd ask you, what are you doing for your living? I'm carving all day long. Wait a minute here. You have even teeny room. Those one are useful. I clean everywhere at the house around the computer and everything with those one. I like those.
Yeah, this one also is useful.
How? Show them how they do. So it's for scratching your
So
back.
when you're getting old, this is useful for you.
But I'm forever young, right?
Huh? So you
I'm not old,
don't
huh?
need
No.
that one. You will need it when you're 60 or 70.
Ah,
I will not scratch your back after.
no? And yesterday, I guess you asked me, right, to scratch your back? Let's talk about it.
This one is for slapping.
Yeah, that's what I was
no.
thinking, yeah. When you don't give that to your Filipina, maybe when she gets mad at you, it will turn bad. And then here, we have the favorite of my son. He have many size like that one. This is Ampan Man, character, old character from Japan.
Different size here.
Yeah. What do you
It's
prefer?
really their favorite.
What is better, the bigger or the smaller one?
Well,
huh?
of course the bigger.
Yeah.
I like the small one.
Yeah.
That's correct. We have also some birds here. Ice cream.
Ice cream. With strawberry flavor. You have avocado flavor. Avocado is good. Oh, that could be good. Let me take a look here on this one. So here we have local veggies, broccoli, cauliflower. Look good here, well presented. So we'll cross the road. We'll go on the other side.
ano ba di kasi mo, nga babasit? 250 lang mo. Di babasit niya. Diyos lang kami dito, ipapriklatan kinyo. Ma'am,
You're getting happy a bit?
Baka naman. Pero pag ano, kumukuha ka ng dalawa kahit yung freebies mo, gawin ko na lang tatlo.
Kaya mamaya.
Tatlo na lang yung freebies.
Medyo may effect sa akin.
Wala kasi yung book na eh. Ma'am, palaman mo ah. Tama ng wines. May free taste.
Agar aramdak pala ma.
Ay! Strawberry jam.
We'll take a look here.
Yes sir, we have chili garlic straw, right?
Mostly the wine and strawberries here.
Sir, strawberry brandy sir.
Hello.
You want to try the brandy sir?
No, it's fine, thank you. I guess this plane has changed. It's not like last time.
I told you they are different.
Sorry, there's that big truck passing. Very loud.
Oh my god, they are big.
Some good strawberry here. Look here.
Only Bugan is not here.
Wine, sir. You want to try wine? Wine yun, ma'am. Baka gusto mag-try.
Joyce, do you want wine?
No, I already tried them.
You will
already
get
tried.
dizzy.
Stick wine.
Ah,
Hi!
hello. I like those one here.
Oy, what is this?
You can put that.
Persimmon?
Yeah, it looked like a persimmon or a pumpkin. No, it's a pumpkin. It was for. This one is for Halloween. It's just over now. Oh my God! I found for Joyce again here. Upper, she will like those keychain. It's like her woodies.
Oh yeah, okay. But it's complete. They have balls.
Yeah. Full package. This one, my father will buy that one easy for sure. He liked the one we put on the ref. Those one here, they have many. Hello. Yeah, the change with the parking. Before it was more than one line like that.
Wine sir, we have
They have There's even more here. Let's see how it is. They have many bags to offer.
Souvenir.
It's colorful.
Have a look sir.
So tell me, if you come here, what would you like to try and buy? There's something that look good. We have ube jam here, some from Good Shepherd. Chili with strawberry. I never tried that one.
Pero maghapon silang wala.
Nagtawanan kami sa aming natuklasan sa isa't isa. Sabihan na rin kami ng aming mga sekreto.
Any biscuit, let's see.
Kahit na masakit pa rin ang aking ulo, mas maligaya ako kesa
You hear the radio. This is typical on lunchtime. People follow those ones. Also have like sketch, humoristic sketch.
Binigyan niya ako ng tubig at mga kakanin. Kung kong tinanggap ang atensyon na ibinigay
Excuse
niya sa
me.
at ikinagalak ang pagsama sa kanya. Ganda lang aking pakiramdam sa tapat. Nakumbinsi ko rin siyang okay na ako.
See, it's another radio. They really follow those on lunchtime. You want a souvenir?
No.
I will take a look here. It looks good. Wait. Yeah.
Let's put it there.
You have it. You prefer what? Do you prefer black or brown
Oh
or?
my God. This is giant. This is buro.
They even have how we call those one
Pascal,
here.
they have buro here. Oh, alright. They have something like this. This is from Batangas, actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Ay, dito na rin yan? Okay, but the first, like, those mga balisong.
Samurai style.
Nabagaling sila sa mga ganyan.
Yeah, they have cocks and cocks. Which one is which?
Huh? Two
There.
boat cup. The one that is flying and that?
Crawling.
One that's flying and one that make you fly. Jeepneys, I like those.
Yes.
So I guess it's about it for our visit of
Oh,
Strawberry
it's nice.
Farm.
This is
It's a
different
very nice
store.
place here. I
Yeah.
like it.
Different from
So,
everything.
yeah, that's it. So if you want to see more, we'll visit again around Baguio. I plan to go again to La Union soon. So subscribe to my channel. I will show you more. Thank you. Bye bye.